Hello, I am Rolanda S. McDuffie, CPA. I help business owners grow and get financially fit. Recently, I've gotten a lot of questions about the temporary deferral of employee payroll taxes, so I wanted to share with you today how it works. On August 8th of 2020, the President issued a presidential memorandum that directs the Treasury of Secretary to issue his authority to defer withholdings, deposits, and payments of employees' portions of Social Security taxes from September 1st through December 31st, 2020. The goal is to put more money in the pockets of workers during the COVID-19 pandemic emergency. The deferral applies to the 6.2% tax on wages or compensation paid for biweekly pay periods of less than $4,000. In other words, employees with annual wages of up to $104,000 are generally eligible for this deferral. Recently, the IRS has issued guidance explaining that the due date for withholding and paying Social Security tax has been postponed. They are now due between January 1st of 2021 and April 30th of 2021. This means that Social Security taxes not withheld in the last 4 months of 2020 are to be ratably withheld from the employee's wages during the first 4 months of 2021, along with the required withholdings of the 2021 wages. So deferred withholdings will increase employees' take-home pay in September through December of this year, but their winter and early spring of 2021 paychecks will be smaller because the Social Security taxes withheld will be twice the usual amount. An employee who lives in a state without income tax, such as Florida, is paid weekly wages. His wages in 2020 are $1,000 per week. Normally, $62 in Social Security tax, which is 6.2%, and $14.50 in Medicare, which is 1.45%, and $120 in federal income tax are withheld from his wages by his employer. The employer adds $76.50, which is the employer's matching amount of Social Security and Medicare tax, before paying the withheld amount to the government. So, the employee's take-home pay is $803.50. Under this deferral arrangement, nothing would be withheld from the Social Security tax. So, the employee's take-home pay for the week would go up by $62 to $865.50. The amount transmitted to the government would be $62 less per pay period. Now, fast forward to 2021. The employee's wages are still $1,000, and for as many pay periods in 2020 as the deferral occurred, the Social Security tax withholding in 2021 would be $124. This $124 is made up of the deferred 2020 withholdings and the 2021 withholdings. For the pay periods, the take-home pay will be $741.50 in the first 4 months of 2021. The IRS notice places the responsibility on the employer to make the payment of the deferred payroll taxes by May 1st of 2021. Otherwise, the employer may owe penalties, interest, and additional tax. This may create a problem if an employee no longer works for the same employer in 2021 as in 2020. Obviously, the employer can't withhold the makeup tax since the worker has no wages from that employer. According to the IRS notice, if necessary, the employer may make other arrangements to collect the total deferred tax from the employee, but it does not specify what those arrangements should or could be. Something else that's not addressed in the guidance is whether an employer must stop withholding the Social Security tax from September 1st through the end of the year. although the Treasury Secretary is reported to have said that he can't force employers to stop the withholding. The guidance also does not cover if an employee may decline to have their taxes deferred, which some large employers say logistically it's not even possible. The president has indicated that he would like the deferred taxes permanently forgiven, but it would take congressional approval to change the law. And given the high-charged political climate in Washington, that may not happen. If you have questions about the payroll tax deferral and how it would affect you and your business, please give our office a call at 813-563-9697. We would love to discuss with you also our business advisory and tax strategy plan. Thank you, and I hope you remember your business money matters. Have a great day.